Amazon delivery really good. Likes, design, quality, storage, dislikes, cooling, color. 1. Hats off to Team Amazon for a wonderful delivery system in a very short span of time. 2. LG has crafted very beautiful refrigerator with 5-star rating. 3. But the delivered product is with slightly dented on its top. Amazing product. It was delivered within a day and works perfectly. Worth the buy. Good product. Delivered within time, and operating system is good. Though little noisy, but overall it's awesome. I have been observing performance since I bought the refrigerator. It seems working fine, but sometimes its sound, noise and bass stand is not strong and not quality. Awesome product. Fastest delivery. Good packaging. Totally, I am fully satisfied with this product. Looks as saw on Amazon. Don't know no other features as it's 3 days now to purchase this. Thanks Amazon for earlier delivery. Good product. Just received. Don't think, just go for it. Value for our money. Very good product. Good packing. Click link in description for more reviews.